The World Cup is going on right now and World Music Day just happened, and I want to honor it by showing you guys some really cool scales from around the world. And these aren't just for making music that sounds exotic. You can use these scales in straight up rock and Western music, and it adds just that little bit of flavor that makes your playing really stand out. So we're going to do 3 examples today that I chose from my comprehensive list of scales from around the world, which you can see here. I'll include a link to this free resource in the video description. Our first example is one that I have used the heck out of, and it is great over any metal backing track and when you want your lead to sound really slinky. This is the Middle Eastern scale I used in that intro clip from under the train station there, and it is known as Phrygian Dominant. It's made up of the 1st, flat 2, major 3rd, 4th, 5th, flat 6th, and flat 7th. In A, you would have A, B flat, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, and G. It sounds great if you play it over like a droned A string. Let's use it in a quick full arrangement. Some serious Richie Blackmore vibes there, right? This next scale is from the Far East and it is known as Insen. And for this in A, you would play an A, a B flat, a D, an E, and a G. So like most Japanese scale, it's 5-note pentatonic. And basically, if you look at it, it's the same as a basic pentatonic minor, but you take the 2nd note and you play it 2 frets lower. So if you had like A, pentatonic minor, you're just taking the C and playing it here. Just did an E. It's pretty easy to get under fingers once you get used to it. And here it is in a full arrangement example. Hey guys, I'm sure you've seen me talk about this guitar quite a bit. The people at Enya are big supporters of the channel, and this Enya Inspire is a guitar that I use every day, and it's one of my main stage guitars too. And I've talked about the cool built-in features with the speaker and the models and sounds that are built into it, the cool clean sounds, all the way up to the ripping lead sounds. But today I want to talk about one aspect of this that probably no one mentions, and for a guy like me who's got a toddler, a little 2-year-old who loves to sing along and play guitar with daddy, this is the perfect instrument. Because this guitar is built the way it is, a strong carbon fiber instrument, I can let her kind of have at it and play along with me and not worry that she's going to break my guitar. So quick heads up, the Enya Music Prime Day 2026 is officially live. They're offering huge 20 to 25% discounts on guitars. It's their lowest price of the year. Check the links in my description and in the pinned comment below so that you can get one now. This last one I use the heck out of too. Essentially, it's a basic minor scale with a major 3rd instead of the minor 3rd, and I freaking love the sound of it. It's called the Charukeshi or Charukeshi Style scale from India, and it sounds great for lead or for rhythm. The intro to my Unite the Divide band's most popular song uses this scale. I just have that moment there where I drop back to the minor 3rd and then leave it again. You can oscillate back and forth like that in a rock song and it just works. So just a quick review on it. You have the 1st, 2nd, major 3rd, and then it's the minor scale. Let's hear it in a full mix arrangement. So guys, lots to explore there, and if you go over to the free world scales tool, you can see tons more. I hope you get a lot out of this lesson and it leads you to some new sounds. And if you have any questions or comments, of course, leave them below. I get back to everyone as soon as I can. And until next time, guys, keep making great music.